The Halo Smart Sensor 3C is a multifunctional vape detection, safety, air quality, and environmental monitoring device that can be used in a variety of public areas to keep people safe and healthy. I have one right here, and I'm going to show you what is in the box. Hi everyone, I'm Holly Smith, Order Management Specialist at Wireless Solutions. Today, I'm excited to unbox the Halo Smart Sensor 3C. It provides detection of health, safety, and security concerns in areas where privacy is important, such as bathrooms. The Halo Smart Sensor 3C is packed with features like multicolored LED indicators, motion detection, and an optional panic button. This device monitors air quality, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, humidity, temperature, vaping and smoking, plus much more. It also has emergency alert lighting, plus gunshot, aggression, and tamper detection. The Halo Smart Sensor 3C-PC adds additional features like people counting and occupancy sensors. The Halo Smart Sensor is perfect for schools, healthcare facilities, retail, and business offices. Anywhere else safety and awareness matters. Let's dive into the unboxing. First, we have the Halo Smart Sensor 3C. It has a sleek and compact design. It's light but feels durable. Next, we have the mounting bracket, the extra screw and Allen wrench, and there's also an insert with a QR code linking you to information you need to get started. Its low-profile design integrates seamlessly into ceilings or walls with perforations for multi-sensor technology that monitors air quality, noise, and emergency events in real time. The halo of LEDs offers customizable colors and alerts for maximum visibility. Unique colors can be used for different alerts such as purple for air quality and red for temperature. The lights are projected onto the ceiling around the halo and can be paired with optional audio notifications. The Halo Cloud dashboard provides an at-a-glance view of the most recent events, current sensor levels, event hotspots, air quality levels, and plus more analytics. The Halo Smart Sensor 3C is a game changer for creating safer, smarter spaces. With its advanced capabilities and user-friendly design, it's a must-have for any organization concerned about safety and compliance. For more info, reach out to us or comment below, and stay tuned for our next video on the Halo. Don't forget to like and subscribe for updates. Thanks for watching.